Hello, welcome to FM Corner. I'm Danny Koontz, your host. Today, we'll start talking about a new topic, and this will be a two-parter. We will do the first part today and the second part next week. Very important topic, integrity. Let's talk about integrity. What does that mean? It's the quality of being honest and having strong moral uprightness. It means doing the right thing, even when no one's watching. You've heard that before. Are you doing the right thing when people are watching, or are you doing the right thing when no one's watching? Because it's still important to you. You stay true to yourself, and you would do nothing to demean or dishonor yourself or others. There are 5 qualities in integrity that help determine success. First one's being gracious. Be nice to people. Help people. Take the time to listen to people when they have problems or issues and they need your help, or they need advice at work in how to fix something or take care of a problem that's out there. Be gracious, be patient with them, and give them the help that they need. Always be there where they can come into you and feel very comfortable about coming to talk to you about a problem. If they're not comfortable, they're not going to talk to you. They're going to look to go somewhere else. So be one of those people that instead of saying, oh no, here comes so-and-so again, I am so glad you came to talk to me. Let me see how I can help you. Be gracious to people, number 1. Number 2, respectful. Be respectful of people. Don't demean them. Don't dismiss what they're trying to talk about or what they think. Take the time, show them the same respect that you look for. And whoever you're talking to or doing business with, whatever that may be, it's a common respect. I'm in the process of interviewing several people for a couple of open positions in our company. And one of the things they talk about is just show me the same respect that I will in return show back to you. And that's what people want. Show the respect both ways. Not a one-way street, it's a two-way street. Show it, and in return, you should receive it back. Third part, honest, trustworthy. Again, people trust you. They come to you for a reason, or they need your advice for a reason, whatever that may be. And you're honest, not only in the answers that you give them, which is critically important. You know, you've heard me say before, tell them what they need to hear, not what they want to hear. Tell them what they need to. That's being honest. If they're going down the wrong road and you don't agree, be honest and take the time to explain that and tell them why. But always be honest and be trustworthy. If they come to you in confidence and want to have a conversation, protect that confidence for them. You know, someone comes in that works for you and says, I want to go off the record, but I want to have a conversation. Respect that. And know that when they walk out of the room, they trust that conversation they had with you is you and them one-on-one. It's not going immediately to 10 other people. And moving forward, they're not going to come and speak to you anymore. The fourth one is be responsible. Be responsible. If you tell someone something, you have to follow up and make sure it's done. If you say, I'll take care of that, or I'll do this for you, whatever that may be, you have to follow up and do that. And if for any reason you cannot do what it is that you told someone, you have to let them know. As soon as you realize you're not going to be able to do something, you have to communicate back to them and let them know. There is nothing worse than getting told. Someone has said, hey, I'll take care of that for you. I'll get it done right now. And 3 days later on Friday afternoon at 5 o'clock, they say, oh, I'm sorry, I didn't get it done. And now you're stuck. Be responsible. Do what you tell people you will do. And if you can't, for any reason, sometimes things happen, be sure and go to that person and tell them as quick as you can. And maybe offer another solution for them to help them so that they will continue to come to you and speak to you because they know you're responsible. And the last quality of integrity, be helpful, be patient. People come to you is a good thing. It's a very good thing because that means they have a high opinion of what you're going to tell them and how you're going to be able to help them. So always try to be helpful with them. Give them honest information, like I said, but be helpful. Try to figure out what is that problem they have and what can I do that helps make it better. And sometimes there's not a lot, but do what you can. You may not solve the issue for them, but you may do something like give them a different idea to at least take the time to think about it so they don't go down the wrong road. Whatever you can do, be helpful, and most of all, be patient. Listen, let them speak to you. Let them talk about whatever it is that they need to get out and get on the table. Take that time, listen, be patient, and then speak back to them in a helping manner, not, this is what you need to do. Don't do that. Say, I have a couple of suggestions. Let me put them out to you, and you tell me if you think that would work or not. But take the time, be patient. Integrity is a very important topic. And you'll see it on a lot of resumes and so on when you start to interview them. But you don't know if that's real or not until they go to work for your company, and then they show that to you in the actions and stuff they take. These are the qualities of people that have integrity. Be sure and know them and use them every chance you get so that those people who are coming to you and so on know that they're dealing with a person who has very high integrity. That's it for today. Next week we will do part 2 on integrity. Certainly appreciate you listening to FM Corner, where advice is always free.